Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Today is an absolute beautiful day and I could not resist coming outside to do a little bit of video editing and to put a recipe on my website. You want to know what the recipe is? Well, it's peanut butter pie, and that's what we're going to be making today, and it is no ordinary peanut butter pie. It is a Oreo Reese cup Hershey's chocolate syrup peanut butter pie. It's absolutely phenomenal and you cannot go wrong with making this dessert. Stick around and I'll show you how to make it here in just a little bit. Welcome to the very first episode of Cute Apron Cooking. You have no idea how excited I am to start this new YouTube channel and create all kinds of delicious food. And another thing I'm thrilled about is the fact that you're here. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch how to make a peanut butter pie. If you would like to get notified every time that I post a new video, you should consider subscribing down below on the red subscribe button and then clicking the notification bell. I'd also love if you would leave a comment to tell me what type of recipes you would like to see on the show. And if I pick your recipe, I'll give you a shout out. Not only is this recipe absolutely delicious, it is so simple. So very simple. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, check out my apron. Isn't it so cute? And thank you, Darlene, for making it for me. I absolutely love it. It has orange pockets. How cute. If you want to make this recipe at home, the link to my website is in the description box and the recipe is on my website. The recipe does make 2 pies, so if you have 2 events to go to, you'll have a great dessert for both and you'll be set. 12-ounce bag of mini Reese cups, a cup of milk, small box of vanilla instant pudding, cup of peanut butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, a cup of powdered sugar, 2 8-ounce containers of whipped topping, 2 Oreo pie crust, and Hershey's chocolate syrup. First things first, you want to set aside 12 mini Reese cups and cut them in half so you have 24 halves, and then you'll coarsely chop the remaining Reese cups, and then you'll just set that aside till a little bit later. Then you'll take your vanilla pudding and mix it into a cup of milk. You want to have this set up just a little bit so it's not complete liquid when you add it to your recipe. Okay? And then you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, it doesn't matter which one, but you're going to add your cup of peanut butter, your block of cream cheese, and 8 ounces of powdered sugar, and blend that until it's smooth. Okay, now that your peanut butter mixture is completely smooth, you can go ahead and add the pudding that you mixed earlier. Okay, so I totally made a newbie error. After I added the pudding to the mixer and mixed it, my iPad ran out of memory and I lost like the rest of the recipe. But anyway, after you add the pudding, just mix in your Reese cups to the batter, fold in your whipped topping, divide it into 2 pie shells, top it with your other container of whipped topping, drizzle it with Hershey syrup, and put your other Reese cups on top, the ones that you cut in half. After you do that, just place it in the freezer for a couple hours and you'll be good to go. You'll be done. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the freezer and we'll be back in a couple hours to taste them. Can't wait. Okay, y'all. I did not wait 2 hours for this to freeze because I have been wanting this pie for like a week now. So here we go. Doesn't it look yummy? Oh. Okay. Delicious. The Oreo crust makes it so much better than graham cracker. And I love the chunks of Reese cups in the batter. It's amazing. So y'all need to go make this for your families, friends. Fantastic. So if you have enjoyed the very first episode of Cute Apron Cooking, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And I'm going to go eat the rest of this pie. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.